Hey everyone, Simply Makeup here, coming to you with just a small haul. I had some gift cards that needed using. They've been sitting in my bag for a while. So I went out the last 2 days and get the stuff I needed to. Some was from my gift cards, some was regular purchase. The first thing I want to show you is this. This is a brush holder. This is a brush holder. It separates. This piece comes out. That's the bottom, and it has this other piece to it. So you put this piece in here like this. You can use it for your brushes. You can use it for maybe your pens or maybe your files, stuff for your nails. Maybe you can use it that way. But this is what it's like. It's like this, and you put the brush in there. If you have, and the smaller sections, this is a smaller section. So this would fit a smaller brush. So I would go like this. This also goes here. It stands and holds it. I got this from Walmart. The next thing I got from Walmart is the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation, the powder foundation. It's the Hybrid Powder Foundation 360. This is it right here. That's the color. My other purchase from Walmart is Physicians Formula Butter Glow Press Powder. This is what it looks like. I like this. This looks so much like the islands. And this is what it looks like. It is really cute. It's Natural Glow Butter Glow Press Powder. Very, very pretty. Then I went to Target and I purchased the Maybelline New York Superstay up to 24-hour hybrid powder foundation number 355. This is what it looks like. This is the color. Watch out for a comparison coming for these two foundation colors. Then I went to Walgreens because I wanted to try the Maybelline New York Dream Matte Mousse foundation, and I get the color Caramel Dark 2. And I have not opened it, but this is what it looks like on the side. This is what this looks like. So there'll be a comparison coming with these foundations. My next purchase is Sephora. I went to Sephora to use my gift card. I have it for a while. And I got two things from Sephora. The first thing I get is the Sephora Micro Smooth Multitasking Baked Face Powder. And it's 65 toffee. This is what it looks like. I have not opened it yet. And the next thing I got, which is the talk of the tongue, is Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder, Face and Eyes. And I got the universal color. Just got back, so this is what it is. I'll be having a lot of comparisons with the different powder foundations I have and the different powders, and we will compare them and see what we have. So those two were my Sephora. My next gift card I use is my Ulta Beauty. So I went and I picked up the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Finish Makeup Setting Spray. It lasts up to 16 hours. I like this because it's matte. I have very, very oily skin, and you know, spring is here and then summer. Before you know it, will be roasting here in Florida. So I need some matte. So this is what I got from Ulta on my gift card. And the next thing I got is something I hear about forever since I've been doing YouTube videos. And I always wanted to try but never did. So I finally picked it up, and it is the Morphe Continuous Spray. I want to try this. So these are the two things I got from Ulta on my gift card. These are the two things I got from Sephora with my gift card. And these are the rest that I picked up. So I'll have some makeup foundation powder comparison coming up soon. Keep watching. Lots of good stuff on this channel. Lots of motivation, lots of joy, and just pure relaxation and calmness. I will see you soon. So remember, self is first. Bye.